In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add natural-looking film grain to your footage using the noise effect. Film grain is a great way to add texture, unify shots, and take the digital edge off your video, but the key is applying it with control so it complements rather than distracts from your story. Start by selecting the clip you want to affect directly in the timeline. Make sure it's highlighted so any changes you make land exactly where you expect. It helps to view your program or composition window at 100% magnification while you work. Grain is a fine detail, and you'll judge it most accurately at true size. Next, apply the noise effect. Open your effects panel, locate noise and grain, and choose noise. Drag it onto your selected clip. If you don't see much at first, that's normal. By default, the effect is subtle. Keep an eye on your preview, and if needed, pause on a mid-tone frame where the texture is easier to evaluate. For a more organic cinematic result, enable color noise by checking the Use Color Noise option. Monochrome noise can look clinical and video-ish, while color noise introduces tiny variations across channels that mimic real film grain. This helps avoid flat, plasticky areas and can reduce banding in smooth gradients like skies or walls. Now dial in the amount. A great starting range is about 5 to 10%. Around 5% adds a gentle texture that you'll feel more than see. 8 to 10 pushes it toward a classic film vibe. If you want a grittier, stylized look, you can go higher, but increase gradually and evaluate in motion. Grain should animate naturally without overpowering faces or fine detail. Check a few parts of the frame. Shadows often tolerate a bit more, while highlights can reveal grain more aggressively. If you want the grain present only in certain areas, blend it with your footage. You can reduce its overall presence by lowering opacity where your software allows, which softens the effect without changing its character. To localize it, use masks on the clip to confine grain to regions like backgrounds or skies. Then feather the mask generously so there are no harsh transitions. A broad feather creates a seamless blend, making the grain feel baked into the image rather than pasted on top. Before wrapping up, do a quick pass at full screen and normal playback speed. If you notice the grain jumping out, pull the amount or opacity back a touch. Subtlety tends to age better, especially across multiple